Well, hey guys. Well, it looked like I had a booger coming out of my nose. There's a glare here, and it was right in my nose. Anyway, welcome to Santa's Workshop. Me and, or TJ and I. Is it TJ and I or me and TJ?
No, whatever.
Whatever. Who the hell cares? Okay, anyway, I made it to her house and we are crafting and we've got this every inch of this, what is this, 6 foot table?
It's over 6.
It's over 6 foot. Every bit of it is filled with craft stuff, okay? And,
There's like 5 boxes in the back.
and we got 5 boxes in another room. But we were just talking about Christmas stories and stuff, and I said, well, I got, a cute one that happened to us or while I was married, and the kids were little, blah, blah, blah. So I'm going to tell it while I am working, okay? So, no. Okay, there we go. Anyway, I'm making little circles out of paper. And it's going to end up in, this is a bag of little circles that I've made. So that's what I'm doing. TJ is working on Christmas ornaments. And all you do is you roll it and you roll it and you roll it. And then you glue it, and then you have a little circle. I'm gonna glue out. Yeah, I can't talk and do things. Yeah. I have a hard time talking and crafting at the same time. Okay, all right. Anyway, let's see. Tim was just born, okay? So this was 1986. We were in West Palm, not Palm Beach, West Palm, the poorer section of town. And we didn't have a lot of money. So we had this raggedy old fake tree, right? And Tom's mom and dad came, and we thought, well, that's a pretty shitty looking tree, okay? How can Santa possibly leave presents under that tree? So Dad and Tom went out and bought this live Christmas tree. Well, it was cut down, but it was live. It was beautiful. And so we took down all the ornaments off the fake tree and restrung the lights and put it on the new tree this was after the kids went to bed. We did all this and then did the presents underneath and all that stuff. And it was fun because that's the first thing the kids noticed. That we said Santa brought a real tree, and they all were in awe of the live tree that Santa brought. I think that was the highlight of their Christmas.
Oh.
And they tell their kids that story now.
That's cool.
And one year we were living in the warehouse, and when I say warehouse, I mean warehouse, okay? we thought, oh, the kids are going to have a bummer Christmas, because we're in this awful place. And so Tom and I decided that we were going to make Christmas really good for them. So we went out and got a real 9-foot Christmas tree.
Wow.
9 foot tall.
Wow.
And with the stand, it equaled out to be about 10 feet.
Wow.
And we had to get ladders, and we just let the kids go crazy decorating that tree. And it was fun. We left it on at night, so everyone could see the tree. That was fun. That was Christmas Eve too. No, that one wasn't Christmas. I think that was a week before Christmas. Because, thanks. But,
Wow. 10-foot tree.
Yeah. And then that kind of brought back memories, because Tommy got a 9-foot tree, and that's what they decorated. I'm thinking, wow, last time we had a 9-foot tree, we were living in the warehouse.
Wow.
Oh dear. So I'll be back in a minute. Okay, this is a Christmas story when all the kids were a little older. So we started going to Disney's Very Merry Christmas Party every year. And what we'd do would be camp at Fort Wilderness. And we would, stay there for the weekend, whatever, 4 days, I think it was. And we'd go, they'd close down the park for regular people at 4 o'clock. And then they reopen it for the party, the people who, bought special tickets. And all around Disney, they'd have hot chocolate and sugar cookie stations where you could just go get a hot chocolate and cookies, for free. And so what was I going to say? Oh, yeah, okay. Well, we had to take a bus, a Disney bus to the, hold on a minute. Okay. I don't know how people do it. I don't know. Hey, let's sit and craft and talk. No, I'm pigeonhole. It's pigeonhole. What is that called?
I have no idea.
I don't know. You tunnel vision. I don't know. What the hell? Anyway, we would camp, and then the night of the Christmas party, we would take a bus to the place where it was right on the big lake, where you have to cross the lake to get into Disney itself. So we'd had dinner at this, I forget what it was called, but it was a place to eat, a smorgasbord type thing in Fort Wilderness. And then we'd catch a boat to go over to the kingdom. And the kingdom. Yeah. Well, on the bus ride, us being the crazy people that we are, we would sing Christmas songs on the bus. And there was, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 8 of us on the bus singing Christmas songs. So one of them was Mele Kalikimaka.
Oh, Lord.
We all had our special parts. Let's see. Mele Kalikimaka is a thing to say on a bright Hawaiian Christmas day. Bring.
That's the island greeting that we send to you from the land where palm trees sway. Here we know that Christmas will be green and bright, the sun to shine by day and all the stars at night. Mele Kalikimaka is a wise way to say Merry Christmas to you. Do do do. Do, 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 do. And everyone had a different instrument that they would play, you know, with their mouth. Here we know that Christmas will be green and bright, the sun to shine by day and all the stars at night. Mele Kalikimaka is a wise way to say Merry Christmas, a very Merry Christmas, a very Merry Christmas to you. Do, do, do. We would sing that, and the bus driver was having a ball. And by the time we got to the restaurant, you know, we had finished the song. Every once in a while, we'd was that other Bing Crosby one we always used to sing? I don't know.
Christmas.
Huh? Nah, that was too sad. We like to rock it up a little bit, you know. But yeah, we just had a ball. And the one Christmas that I'm thinking of is when Jenny told me that she was pregnant.
Oh.
And that was such a cool thing, you know.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So that was we did that for years, and just can't do it anymore. But it was a fun memory. Yeah. So anyway, that's it. So you guys, we got to get busy here and do our work. And
I'm not making production.
yeah. You guys take it easy. Take the long way home and stop and enjoy things a little, okay? I know this year is weird. I mean, it's like everybody's like numb almost. We were just talking about it earlier. And so stop and enjoy the small things, okay? If you're waiting around for big things, yeah, forget it. You know, you got to enjoy the simple things like a song or, you know, a free cookie at Disney or, you know, photographs. Yeah, we just do all kind of little stuff. Like I used to take my kids to this restaurant called Wags. I don't know if anyone remembers that, but they used to be in the mall down South Florida. And part of their Christmas calendar presents was to go to the mall and have a Santa Sundae. And it was a sundae that had two of the little candy canes sticking out of the sundae with whipped cream and a cherry. And, you know, it was fun. Yeah. We had a ball. I even had one. So you got to enjoy the simple things, people. Okay? So take it easy. Take the long way home. Woo!